Hey there, Dr. Chris Cooper here. I am here with Olga. We're going to be treating her. We've already examined her. She just came out of a massage as well. We've been treating Olga for car accident stuff. And today what she's feeling is a little bit of tension through here, a little bit of tension in the low back. She feels it when she twists and stuff. So if you want to have a lie face down here, Olga. So what I'm feeling is a little bit of stiffness in this low back, especially on the right side. When I provoke that SI joint, it doesn't move as well as the left. And it feels a little bit of rotation this way. So we'll fix that. Also some stiffness through mid-thoracic spine here, and then upper rib on the right over here. So muscles are feeling excellent since she just got out of the massage, so we're going to jump right into adjustment. So take a big breath in for me, big breath out. Awesome. Very nice. Let's lean your head to the side for me. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Good job. Okay, Olga, let's have you lay on your side. Let's right side up in the air, so face towards me this way. Perfect. We'll bend you up a little bit like this. Give you a little tug this way. Excellent. Fold your arms. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to go right through that SI joint here. So let that shoulder roll backwards. Rock the hip forward just a little bit. Nice job. Okay, let's check the other side too. Let's roll face that way. So even though it felt mostly right-sided, we're going to check both sides because I don't want Olga walking in circles after this. Feels pretty good. We're just going to do a little stretch. Rock you here. There you go. Very nice. Okay, roll over onto your back for me, please. We're just going to check the neck also. There's actually a little bit going on the right side. You feeling tension at all when we're poking around?
Yeah.
Okay. Right in that spot?
Right in that spot, yes.
Okay. That's the one. Okay, Olga, so all I'll have you do is just let your head relax. Here you go. You and I are just going to rock into it. Perfect. Let's recheck. Wonderful.
Oh, I think that was the one.
That was the one. Sometimes those neck adjustments just feel so good afterwards. Takes all the tension away. Okay. Let's have a seat up. Let's make sure Atlas is doing well also. Atlas feels awesome. Okay, Olga, you are all set. Thanks for being here with me. Dr. Cooper signing off.
Thank you.